Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to make rainbow at home. For this experiment we need bowl with water, L-shaped mirror and sunlight. Put a L-shaped mirror in water as shown in picture, and after that you can observe rainbow like this on opposite wall. Now we'll see what causes rainbow. A rainbow caused by the sunlight and atmosphere. After rain, there are many tiny droplets of water still in the air. When sunlight falls on the droplet, these droplets act as a tiny prism. And when sun rays falls on these droplets, these rays get first refracted, then internally reflected, and then refracted again. Due to this, different colors of sunlight are bent as different angles, and we are able to see spectrum in the form of rainbow.